Hey everyone, welcome back. It's great seeing you guys tuning back into the series. If you enjoyed the last episode, you're going to love this one. We're taking it a step further into our digital journey. Last time we talked about computers and how they work. As we've learned, a computer isn't just one single thing. It's two key parts, hardware and software. In this episode, we'll be breaking down what each one means, how they're different, and why they absolutely need each other to function. By the end of the lesson, you'll see how computers are less like machines and more of living systems. What are we waiting for? Let's dive back into the digital universe. What is hardware? Hardware is all the physical parts of the computer, the things you can see, touch, and even hear. If you've ever moved your mouse, clicked on your keyboard, or even plugged in a cable, you've handled hardware. Inside the computer, there's even more. The CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit, is like the engine, processing instructions and running the system. RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory, acts as the short-term memory holding information the computer is actively using, while hard drives or SSDs provide long-term storage for files, programs, and operating systems. The graphics card, GPU, works like a specialized artist creating and processing images, videos, and games with dedicated cards offering more power than those built into the CPU. Holding all of these together is the motherboard, the main circuit board that connects every component and allows them to communicate smoothly. Think of hardware like the body of a car. The steering wheel, the wheels, the engine under the hood, it can all be polished, replaced, or even upgraded for something faster. But on its own, hardware is just there. Without something to guide it, it doesn't actually do much. What is software? Now let's talk about software. Unlike hardware, you can't physically touch software. It's the invisible set of instructions, programs, and apps that tell hardware what to do. Think about when you open Word, play a video game, or browse the web. That's software at work. Operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux are softwares too. They're the ones that run everything in the background so your apps can work smoothly. Let's take a quick look at the main types of software. System software. This is your operating system like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. It's the foundation that lets everything else run. Application software. These are the programs you use every day, browsers, word processors, games, streaming apps. Utility software, smaller tools that keep your system healthy like antivirus, cleanup programs, or file managers. If hardware is the body, software is the mind. The mind tells the body to move, to act, to respond. Without software, your computer is a pile of plastic, metal, and wires. How hardware and software work together. So how do they actually work together? Let's remember last episode's example. Pressing a key on your keyboard or pressing your mouse buttons is an example. That signal travels to the CPU where the software interprets it. Then the result would be text appearing on your screen. It's a loop. Input, process, output. And it happens in fractions of a second, billions of times a day. So, to sum it up, the hardware is the body, software is the mind. Alone, neither can do much, but together, they bring the computer to life and make everything possible, from writing a document to streaming your favorite show. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the Education Worldwide YouTube channel. See you next time.